Make yourself comfortable with your hands uncrossed and your feet apart, either lying down or sitting. Whenever you're ready, just look up as high as possible, as if you're looking up into your own eyebrows, and focus in your own eyebrows, keeping your eyeballs up, eyes wide open, so you can feel this tension in your eyes. And now, take a deep breath in with me and breathe out to your mouth with a sigh. While keeping your eyeballs up, focusing on your eyebrows, take another deep breath in with me. And when you breathe out with a sigh. Relaxing your shoulders and each muscle of your neck. And one final time, take a deep breath in with me. And when you breathe out, slowly with a sigh. And you can slowly close your eyes. As your eyelids shut down, each muscle, each nerve, all around your eyes are becoming heavy, droopy, and drowsy. And your eyelids are starting to feel as they've been glued shut, sealed shut, locked tight together. So you can now relax and forget all about your eyes and allow this drifting, floating sensation to come upon you, pulling you all the way down from head to toes, from left to right. So now, I want you to imagine that you're on top of the stairs, and the stairs is 10 steps going down. You can drop your chin as if you're looking down that stairs just in front of you, and you're gonna go down to the stairs slowly, so you can feel that the more you go down, the more you go deeper. And now move on to the step 10 and 9, as each muscle on your head and in your neck starting to get loose, lets loose, and you go deeper. You're now taking slowly to step 8 and 7. As you go deeper, you can feel your body sinking deeper. And the more you go deeper, the more you feel relaxed. And the more you feel relaxed, the more you go deeper. You're taking the step 6. Every sound and movement around you is carrying you way, way deeper into a very deep state of relaxation. You're now taking the step 5. You're now halfway down. And you're going to be naturally connected to your subconscious. And the more you go deeper, the more you feel relaxed. You're now taking the step 4. You can feel each muscles in your shoulder dropping, releasing all the tension in your stomach, feeling completely relaxed as you go deeper. You're now taking the step 3 and 2, feeling your body heavier and heavier as you go into a deep awareness of yourself. The more you feel relaxed, the more you go deeper. And the more you go deeper, the more you feel relaxed. And now you're landing with the final step 1, feeling completely relaxed. And as I click my fingers, you're gonna go 10 times deeper, 50 times deeper, even. Now in a moment, I want you to imagine yourself at the beginning of 2 paths. You have a path on the left and a path on the right. The path on the left is the path you're currently on. Your current life, your current situation, your current feeling, your current emotions, your current relationship, your current money. And you fast forward 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, And you realize that you're not where you want to be. You look back on your life and you have some regrets. Regrets from not taking advantage of opportunities, from not feeling confident enough to go and do the things you always wanted to do. And now you come back to the beginning of this path and you noticed the path on the right. You fast forward 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, and I want you to realize that all of a sudden, you have everything you could have imagined. Your life is perfect. You feel amazing. You feel love. You feel happiness. And now you come back to the beginning of this path and you realize that the beginning of this path is the present, is today. And at any given moment, you can either go down the path on the left or the path on the right. And I want you to imagine the choice in front of you, the left and the right. And I want you to take a deep breath in with me and breathe out with a sigh. And I want you to look at both of these paths and realize that every second that goes by, you're able to make a decision to either go down the path where everything you want in your life, you know you've gone for, and you make your dreams your reality, or you look back and you have regrets because you didn't do it. And I want you to take a deep breath in with me again and breathe out. And I want you to feel your confidence beginning to rise and start going down the path that you are destined to go down. Notice how that feels. Notice that feeling. And I want yourself to let go. Just feel your confidence growing. Like 2 to 3 years from now, 10 years from now, you realize the past does not equal the past. And we're still be living in the caves if it's true. You see, who you were in the past is not who you are today. Who you are today in the present moment, today, creates who you are tomorrow. And you can continue to be that person that's holding you back. You have the choice to be the person that doesn't go for what they want. A choice at the person that's lacking confidence. A choice, or you can let go so you can be who you want to become. And as we look at this person on the left path, I want you to notice the energy. Notice the energy of the person. Notice the eyes. And you can see the pain. You can feel the pain in their eyes. You can see the pain of the regrets. You can see all the hard times and hardships that this person has in their life because of their lack of confidence and all the missed opportunities, of all the missed dreams that will never actually come true. And now I want you to make a decision. I'm giving you a choice. Will you allow this person to continue to run your life? Or are you ready to let them go today, right now? And it's a choice. It's a choice for you to be the best version of yourself, or it's a choice for you to regret your life 2 years or 3 years from now. And in a moment, I want you to hug your old version. If you choose to let go the version of you on the left side who have regrets, who have pains in their eyes, because we're letting go of all the version of you. And I want you to thank this version of you for protecting you, for keeping you alive. And now you realize this version of you is keeping you in pain and holding the regrets and holding that pain and holding that fear. And I want you to slowly and in a moment you realize you do that now. And you realize by letting go this version of who you were, you're not creating the person. You're not creating the person you're about to become. And you're letting go of that person hugging that person. Thank you for serving me. But now I want to live my life the way I want it to be, the way I am destined to be, because I don't want to live a life full of regrets. And when you turn around and you see a bright path in front of you, you realize your future is so full of love, so full of happiness, so full of success. And all you have to do now is slowly walk forward to the right path and focus on the future, not on the past. By being who you want to be in the present, on a scale of 0 to 10, to bring your confidence up to a 10 now, realize you project your voice louder, you speak louder, you speak your truth, and you feel more love for yourself, you feel passion. Bring that all the way up to an 11 or 10 as you feel that confidence growing in your soul and your body. Now I want you to now merge with that future, the goals, your dreams, and feel it and allow that to become into you right now, and feel that confidence merging into your soul, into every fiber of your being. Because you're letting go of the version that's full of regrets. You're slowly walking to the versions of confident you, and you feel your confidence just growing, and you find your heart finally become full. You're so full of love and kindness, being so proud of yourself for the choice that you made today. Letting go of all the pain that's holding you back, letting go of all the fear and leaving it in the past. And you realize anything you want in your life, you can have it. Slowly, you are confident, you are powerful, you are incredible. Just let go of the past and feel that love now, that love for yourself. Feel it in your heart. I want you to touch your heart and feel it in your soul. Bring it into your chest now and allow that confidence to surge through your body, to feel comfortable in any situation. Showing up for yourself, speaking the truth, setting the boundaries and confidence. And allow yourself to let go of all the past and welcome the future. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. When I do, you're going to find your confidence continues to grow. And I want you to feel every sensation in your body where you feel that confidence. And when you open your eyes, you're going to project your voice louder. You're going to feel a bunch of self-confidence and self-love. You'll be able to go for the things you want, and you let go of the past completely. Now with 1, you're back in the room. And 2, you're aware of the sound of my voice. And 3, 4, your eyes are beginning to open. And 5, eyes opened, wide awake. Feeling completely confident, wide awake. And now I want you to take this newfound confidence and change your life. Do the things that you want to do. Start living. And realize that you are incredible. Realize that you have so much potential, and I know you're going to tap into it. And thank you for listening. Thank you.